My name is Nancy Wall, and at the beginning of last year I decided that I would retire from work. And at that point I started having problems with my back, mainly my sciatica nerve going down my leg. I had become just about an invalid. Couldn't get up out of the bed without help, couldn't do anything without help, and could stand for about 10 to 12 minutes at one time without having to get back down. When we got up there and had the appointment, they sent me for MRI to see what the problem could be. From there I went with an appointment to see Dr. Richardson, and he suggested, since I was so afraid of back surgery, he suggested that they do some non-invasive procedures to see if that would help. It didn't help. It helped a small amount, but he had told me in the beginning that there's a good possibility that it would not. When he recommended that I could see a surgeon, which I was really against it because I was so nervous about having back surgery, that we went on the website and checked out the surgeons that they had listed, and finally I just said, okay, I've got to see someone because I had to have some results. I had gone 6 weeks with the pain that I had had, so it was like to the point, whatever happens, I have to have it. So I went in to see Dr. Eck. He was very, very encouraging to me. He looked at both my x-ray and my MRI and suggested that there was a great possibility that he could help me almost instantly, which, was hard to believe. He was real quick in getting me in and did the surgery, and from that point on it was just like the difference between daylight and dark. I could get up and move around, although I was a little ginger with it because I was nervous about it. But I could get up and walk around and have no problem, hardly any pain at all. After the surgery, I probably took maybe 3 pain tablets the whole time and didn't need anything else. When I went back to see Dr. Eck, I had a few issues with my leg kind of wanting to cramp up, and he explained to me that when they did the surgery, they had to move a little nerve around, and that I may have that even up to a year. But although it's been about a year now, I don't have that anymore. There's nothing that limits me. And Dr. Eck, I think he's a marvelous doctor. He's was very thorough in explaining to me what needed to be done and how he felt like the outcome would be, and he was 100% right.